Roo roo roo, it's nature-roo. In this video, I head over to the west coast of Washington State to witness breathtaking sunsets over the Pacific Ocean. You'll see brown pelicans diving gracefully into the water, skimming the ocean surface. Surfers riding massive waves in one of the world's largest Sitka spruce trees. We'll also explore the North and Westport Jetty, and yes, plenty of pelicans, and there's so much more to discover. A warm welcome to new viewers and a big thank you to all of those returning. Now let's kick off the ROO ROO adventure. Here I'm at Ocean Shores in the state of Washington, and here's the North Jetty. And there's people fishing, dog walking, swimming. It's kind of chilly, but not too bad. I'm actually wearing a jacket. But here we go. Here's the North Jetty. Let's do a bit of a spin. There's the Pacific, the mighty Pacific Ocean right behind me. Listen to those waves. You can even surf. I see some people with surfboards. There's the North Jetty. Let's just spin around. Let's go and see if I can walk up here without falling. Hard to do with a camera in your hand. There's Merriman Falls right above me. I am now in Westport, Washington State, where there's some birds. I did see some pelicans. Of course, you're going to see seagulls, and trying to see what else is out here. It's very relaxing. You just hear the water in the background, and I'm actually on a cliff. Let me bring this camera around. So there is the area. And I am pretty much right next to a cliff. So if I point the camera down here, there's a cliff and a beach area. And it goes pretty steep. And see, through time, it's been eroded away. Looks like it just keeps moving further back through time. It's very peaceful, quiet. Back there is Pacific Ocean. Some fishing boats. And the city of Westport. Get down this area. Of the cliff. I'm going to check out the other side and see what's on that side too. Alright, now I'm at the Westport Jetty. If you can see it, it's just right next to me on my right. It's very large. Again, there's this big cliff right below me. Big open beach of surfers hitting the waves down below. I'll show some footage of that. There's some seagulls in the background. I'm still trying to find that elusive pelican. If I can get some good shots of the pelican, that'd be fantastic. But hey, I'll take what I can get. It's amazing. Look at how far this jetty goes. Through time, it's eroded and fallen in. But it's pretty nice. It's a little cool, not too bad. Really don't need a jacket. I brought one just in case if it was a little cold out here, but it's not bad. People are surfing. And there's some people on the beach with their dog. Some boats, fishing boats in the distance. And you can hear some type of a foghorn in the background. Here comes the sun setting. It's peeking through the clouds now. As the sun sets behind me, thanks again everybody for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing. Again, I'm at the beautiful location of Ocean Shore in Washington State. So many nature exhibits you can go and see. The sea lions, the pelicans. It was so much fun to go out there. The people of the west coast of Washington are so lucky. This is just such a beautiful area. Just look at that amazing sunset from the west coast on the Pacific Ocean. Again, thanks for watching everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Roo roo, it's Nature Roo. Thank you. Bye-bye. Huh?